but COVID continues to be a problem that seems like it just won't go away. Just within the first 10 days, COVID numbers in Delaware have hit an all-time high. Doctors and nurses across the state have been overwhelmed with patients, and hopefully with the governor's new policy, it can help slow down the spread.
I can tell you that we have far more patients in the hospital than we currently have inpatient beds because of the very, very large volume of people being admitted due to critical illness. We are at a critical juncture where we've never before been, and it is particularly important that we keep people who can stay out of hospital, out of the hospital, best accomplished by people getting vaccinated and wearing these kind of masks in public settings. We cannot afford to continue the pace we have of patients being hospitalized.
This was the opening message from the Chief Medical Officer of Wilmington Hospital during Governor Carney's COVID-19 press briefing on Tuesday afternoon. As of January 10th, cases have risen almost 3,000 per day. Hospitalizations in Delaware are at an all-time high of 734, with 72 in critical condition. As more people begin to feel symptoms of COVID-19, the daily testing rates have also increased and is reaching capacity.
So I wanted to show today the number of tests that we are doing. We're pretty maxed out or getting close to being maxed out with our capacity. We have some good news there with respect to federal resources that are on our way.
Hospitals are currently over capacity, and in the governor's press briefing, Dr. Rattay, director of the Division of Public Health, said that hospitalizations are one of the truest indicators of the spread in the community.
But on average, our hospitals are really operating right now at about 117% of their capacity. Christiana Care and Beebe are at approximately 130% of their capacity. And even Nemours, while Nemours is not over capacity, this past Sunday, they hit a high water mark for children hospitalized with COVID at 70.
For weeks, Governor Carney has urged Delawareans to take responsibility by getting vaccinated and getting the booster shot. But as a result of the surge and stress on hospitals across the state, a universal mask mandate has been issued, and it requires Delawareans to wear masks in indoor public settings.
Everybody's got to be part of this solution, and so we're asking everybody to wear a mask when indoors to protect themselves, the workers in those various establishments, family members, and most importantly, the capacity in our hospitals, which is driving us to make this decision.
The governor did not put a time frame on how long this mandate will be in effect. He says that he'll know if it's working when cases and hospitalizations decline. With DETV, I'm Kaylynn Pride.